people. So you can hear the music in the background. There are crackers going off. There are lots of people in, in the neighborhood apartments also who are in their balconies. So this is unprecedented. I mean, I'm so glad to be living in a time where I don't know, it's very exciting, and you can hear the music. Yeah, there's some instrumental music and singing happening, and there are children playing downstairs. So this feels so good, and see, even I'm standing with this thing, so it'll last 9 minutes. We've already done with 5 minutes, so we have 4 minutes left, I think. But don't worry, it's so this is how the rest of the balconies look and all. But truly, people, I'm so proud of the Modi government, and I'm I'm just looking forward to. No, unlike what Shobha Day says, that next Modi will make us apply rangolis in front of our house, and there was a whole sarcastic video that had come online. But otherwise, I think it's a beautiful initiative, and there's crackers in the background. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.